Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about Approach Aviation's leather interiors. They're available in a variety of colors and modifications, so let's talk about it and have a little bit of fun. We would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So these leather interiors are from Jeff Simon's Approach Aviation. They're really nice leather interiors. You've probably seen them in different Grummans over the years. Again, they're available in a wide variety of colors, and he's got a staff, and they take your old panels and they strip them down and they make them up new with leather interiors, and it's all the bits and pieces for your entire interior. It's not just the seat backs and the seat bottoms that you get. It's the side panels and some of the little trim pieces that we'll be talking about, especially when we get to the Project Tiger leather interior. But again, you know, they are nice interiors, and they're for the sides and for the seat bottoms. Carpeting will have to come from somebody else. But again, it's a good way with Jeff Simon. You take all your old panels out. Now, while you're taking them out, you mark them as to, was this panel in my airplane too long or was it too short, and you let them know so that when they make your new panels, you won't have any gaps like you had with your old interior. So when it all goes back in, it's a nice, tight, close-fitting fit. And you know, again, they take their time and they do a good job and they stitch it up well. And you have a wide variety of textures, and you have colors that you can choose for your leather interior. So choose wisely. It's going to be there a long time. Now, the other thing is with the leather interiors, you want to make out what kind of foam you're using. So you'll be sitting on it for quite a while, and that can make a difference. But here's a nice tan leather interior by Jeff Simon's Approach Aviation, and it's in a Grumman cheetah, and it was all part of this guy's project to take this cheetah that had sat for 17 years and bring it back to flying condition, and along the way he wanted to improve the interior. So there's a lot that you can do with a leather interior, and it really adds a lot to the value of your aircraft. I mean, your cloth seats were kind of dated. Yeah, they don't get cold and they don't get hot like leather do, but again, they're a very comfortable seat to sit in. The supple leathers that we have today are much nicer, so it's not too bad to do. Now let's take a look at some of the pieces that come in a set. We're going to look about the Project Tiger pieces. Now for the Project Tiger to go with the paint scheme, we chose with a medium gray leather. And here they are, and they were brought to us by Jimmy Candeletti. It was so nice of him to transport these for us. But as you can see, you have the seat backs. You have the armrest for both the front and the rear seats. You have the kick panels over the spar. You have the little panels in the back around your console. You have your type certificate holder and your other paperwork holder, and again, the seat bottom and the seat backs. Then you also have the stuff for the rear. You have the fold down portion for the cargo bay, as well as the seat bottom that you will be sitting on, and you have the two seat on the floor backs that have to slide into your back section to go in there. Then you have the side panels that go over the spar. They're easy to identify, but they have nice pockets on them too. And again, this is a really nice leather set that you'll really enjoy having in your airplane. It's more than just a seat system, folks. It's a really nice idea. So here's what Jeff wants people to know about his leather interiors. Now, Jeff sent this to me when he was on the road, so it's kind of brief, but he wanted to let you know that the interiors are $5,999. Their prices have skyrocketed, and we're going to have some contact information. And he was on the road, but I tell you what, they're nice interiors. They also make a couple of other tools that you might find interesting for other aircraft. But again, take a look at their website. Here's their contact information. Again, just take out your old interiors, mark them up, send them to Jeff Simon, and you'll get back in a box a whole new leather interior. So, ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. Well, let me apologize for the lighting, because a lot of times I don't have time to go turn on a light when I want to film them playing with paper on the floor or wrestling with each other. A lot of times it happens in the wee hours of the night, and I just can't throw enough light on there. So please accept my apology and enjoy their antics and their fun. Thank you.